I'm angry, so I'm gonna make a cat out of socks.
Lay a sock like so. Draw a little design. Sew all along the lines. Cut it out. Cut a little hole here. Use that hole to flip it inside out. Stuff him. Body. Sew hole closed. Ta-da. Set him aside. Other sock. Draw that. Sew it. Cut it, and then cut along here. Flip inside out again. It's a head. Stuff him. Sew him closed. Head done. You're gonna sew him on top of the hole you made in the body. Tail time. Take the rest of that sock, draw that. Sew along here, leave this open. Flip him inside out. Tail. Sew it.
Yeah!
I'm running out of time. Beat eyes. Yeah.
He's a little wonky, but considering he was birthed from rage, it's not too bad.